In this video, you'll learn how to cancel an order on eBay as a seller. This guide will take you through the necessary steps to ensure the cancellation is handled properly and efficiently. Begin by logging into your eBay seller account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Seller Hub or the My eBay section. Here, locate the orders or sold items page where you will find a list of your recent transactions. Identify the specific order you wish to cancel and click on it to open the order details. It is important to carefully review the transaction to confirm that it is indeed the correct order you intend to cancel. Sellers typically cancel orders due to stock issues or requests from buyers, so ensure you've verified the reason for cancellation before proceeding. Next, within the order details page, look for the option labeled Cancel Order. Click on this option to initiate the cancellation process. You will then be prompted to choose an appropriate reason for the cancellation from a list provided by eBay. It is crucial to select the correct reason, as this helps maintain transparency with the buyer. After making your selection, eBay may ask you to confirm this action before you can continue. This confirmation is an important step as it officially starts the cancellation process. Once the cancellation request is submitted, eBay will notify the buyer about the cancellation. Following this, the next step involves issuing the refund. After the cancellation is confirmed, the buyer will receive a refund through their original payment method. Typically, eBay processes these refunds automatically if the payment was already completed. It is advisable to check the order status to ensure that the refund has been issued successfully. Keeping clear communication with the buyer throughout this process is essential for maintaining a good seller reputation. Make sure to verify that the order is marked as cancelled in your records. This confirmation indicates that the cancellation process has been completed successfully. If the order does not reflect as cancelled, you may need to revisit the order details to ensure all steps were followed correctly. Remember that maintaining accurate records can help you manage your transactions more effectively. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.